Lucid Motors stock 2025 predictions. Will it happen? Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, eMotion. Today we're going to talk about Lucid Motors stock. Lucid Motors is one of the newest names in manufacturing luxury EV cars. It's competing with well-established brands, including Tesla, in the EV vehicle industry. Lucid Motors went public on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol LCID on July 26th, after merging with Churchill Capital IV, CCIV. According to the announcement made by the company, it will be delivering its first EV vehicle in late 2021. After the merger, various news regarding LCID stock is going on, leading to questions like, is Lucid Motors stock a good long-term investment? Or will Lucid Motors give a profitable return after 5 years? And so on. In this video, we'll talk about our predictions for Lucid Motors stock and analyze its performance. Lucid Motors' performance after merging with SPAC. It's worth noting that Lucid stocks have gained much attention since the beginning of the year. However, the price of this stock is pretty volatile. Before the merger with CCIV, Lucid stock hit $60, but lately it's just near $20. As soon as the rumors of the merger went public, the stock dived from $10 to $64, which is a 540% hike. Nevertheless, it fell back to the $20 range a few months later, giving it a bearish trend. Later, after new shares were released from the lockup on August 31, LCID dropped from $19 to $16 in just one day. As a result of this fall, investors could only take home a few bucks of profit per share. Although the current price of LCID is around $20, it's anticipated that it can reach new heights if the company manages to achieve a few milestones. Also, if this happens, investing in Lucid stocks for the long term will be a clever move. Lucid Motors sales target. Lucid's EV, the Lucid Air, is expected to roll out in late 2021. This car will beat the Tesla Model S and R1T in terms of battery efficiency. Lucid is also planning to launch its luxury SUV by 2023. Lucid reveals that it has received 11,000 reservations for Lucid Air till July end. It aims to deliver 42,000 Lucid Airs by 2025. Besides, it targets to deliver 135,000 SUV cars in total by 2025. However, the progress is questionable since Lucid Air is still in the production phase and the SUV production has not yet begun. Comparatively, the sales target of Lucid Motors is less than its competitor Tesla, which has delivered 206,421 EV motors within the second quarter of this year. As per the company's forecast, Lucid strives to earn $97 million in revenue in 2021, assuming that it will sell nearly 1,000 motors. The growth is anticipated to lift in the next 4 to 5 years. If it happens as expected, Lucid will make a constant gross profit of 22% on average. Lucid Motors stock prediction 2025. Unlike the majority of the EV companies that claim to be Tesla killers without having a single product in hand, Lucid has a product, which is Lucid Air EV car. Lucid also has gained a lot of attention from the public and investors due to its products. However, the company has not yet delivered a single EV car to its customers. It planned to roll out the first Lucid Air in 2021, but the production was delayed. That's why, despite being in September, we haven't seen Lucid Air on the road. Lucid Motors has declared a production preview week, starting September 27th. During this time, selected visitors will get to test drive the first luxury car by Lucid Motors, Lucid Air, and take a tour of the factory. This declaration proves that Lucid is way more transparent than other companies, and we will get to know more about the vehicle. Lucid Motors anticipates getting cars on the road by 2022 and a revenue of more than $2 billion till then. In the coming 5 years, the company aims to sell 36,000 Lucid Air and 12,000 SUVs. Lucid has predicted that the SUV will make up over 60% of the total deliveries by 2026. The plan is to build its market by providing economical vehicles and eventually expand the top line in the coming years. It aims to be on the profitable end by 2023. Lucid intends to gain revenues of $14 billion in 2025. The expected EBITDA in 2025 is also expected to soar up to $1.7 billion in 2025. Presently, Lucid's market cap is nearly $32.7 billion. So, if Lucid achieves its targets, it would be 2.3 times the price to sales and 9.2 times the price to EBITDA, which is a much higher number than that of Tesla. Will Lucid challenge Tesla? It's no secret that Lucid will be challenging Tesla and other brands entering the EV industry. However, there's still no surety of how this will happen within the coming 5 years. As quoted earlier, Lucid plans to roll out its first car in 2022 and get about 20,000 vehicles on the road by the end of the year. This will help the company generate about $2.2 billion in revenue. We all know Tesla is dominating the EV vehicle industry. When Tesla traded publicly for the first time in 2010, it delivered 1,500 vehicles in the first year. What makes a difference between these two companies is that Tesla made its debut 11 years ago. Considering the growth rate in the EV industry, we can expect that Lucid's industry will disbalance Tesla's market share. As the company claims, Lucid is endeavoring to take 0.6% of the global EV market share next year. If Lucid successfully achieves its target in the global EV market share, the Lucid Air will beat Tesla S. Are Lucid's prospects valid? Considering the predictions of the management, it seems that Lucid's journey in the coming 5 years will be interesting. However, that doesn't mean that investors should purchase more Lucid stocks. Although the claims of the company are promising, we cannot ignore the fact that there will be more competition in the market over the next few years. Many companies are shifting to the EV vehicle industry. As a result of this, Lucid might have to cross several hurdles to reach its targets. Besides, Lucid has made 30% of its projections on the models that are yet to be announced, so it's hard to believe whether the company will meet its prospect in 5 years. Lucid stock latest news. Lucid merged with the blank check company CCIV in July, and the shareholders of Lucid Motors approved the merger. This led to a hike in Lucid stock prices. On September 9th, the Citigroup analyst gave a buy recommendation for Lucid Motors stock, stating that it would go up to $28. Soon after Citigroup's rating went public, CFRA also indicated the buy for Lucid with a target price of $25. On September 1st, the lockup period for private investment in public equity investors terminated. This termination permitted investors to sell shares, which resulted in a fall of about 11%. Why invest in Lucid Motors stock? Throughout the video, we've been talking about Lucid stock and its predictions. However, it's interesting to know that the team at Lucid is equally dedicated to producing top-notch EV vehicles. Lucid CEO, Mr. Rawlinson, was the Vice President of Vehicle Engineering at Tesla. Additionally, the Vice President of Design, Mr. Jenkins, and Vice President of Manufacturing, Peter Hochholdinger, at Lucid are also well-versed in building cars. That indicates that the team at Lucid knows how to manufacture and sell EV cars, so it's going to be a good competitor for Tesla. Further, Lucid Air will be rolling out in 4 different versions, of which the Dream version will be the high-end model. The car will be a close rival to Tesla's high-end electric cars since it's a much more efficient in terms of battery power. The car will be launched in late 2021. Still, it's worth marking that Lucid has not yet sold a single car, despite having 11,000 reservations. Also, its SUV is yet to go to the production line, so it's questionable how long it'll take for Lucid to be profitable. Currently, Lucid stock is 1/3 more than its current price, which is a good deal. If you're willing to take a little risk, it's worth it to invest in Lucid. Contrarily, if you're looking for a short-term investment, you'll have to be extremely careful. You'll have to drop out as soon as you seek a sign of witness to stay on the profitable side. That's it, guys. We've reached the end of the video. Hopefully, you've got your answer on how far Lucid Motors stock will go. Please note that this video is not financial advice. We're only sharing our predictions. Make sure to do your research before investing in any stock. Let us know your thoughts on Lucid stocks in the comment section below, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, smash the red subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, then smash that like button and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Oh, and in case you missed it, head over to our video on the key details surrounding CCIV and Lucid Motor merger to get a better idea about how Lucid might perform and how it's set to break down some barriers. We'll see you in the following video. Until then, bye!